The Poly TC10 touch panel enhances the return-to-office experience inside and outside the room by delivering easy room scheduling and seamless control of compatible Poly video systems. Deployment is made fast, with simple and flexible setup options that meet different room requirements. Inside the box you will find the Poly TC10, which features a sleek design and powerful 10-inch high-resolution touch display for clear and intuitive controls. One LAN cable, a tabletop stand, and a wall mount. On the back of the TC10, you will find a Power over Ethernet port. Use the LAN cable included in the box to power up and connect the Poly TC10 to your network. The single cable provides both power and connectivity for a tidy and professional setup. The Poly TC10 can be mounted outside any bookable space. It includes a discrete wall mount, and you can also separately purchase a glass mount for a clean look on both sides of the glass. Inside the room, the Poly TC10 can be set up on a table. The flexible tilt and adjustable screen angles allow for better visibility and interaction. Multicolor LED lights can be found on each side of the panel. Green means available and red means busy. Room availability can be seen from up to 60 feet away. Inside the room, the LED lights indicate mute status from a distance.